another number. So here we are. Here we are. You know, we don't actually have a name for this next dance that we're about to do, but we'd like to say that it's inspired by Cirque du Soleil and Bikram yoga. You know, it's a good thing we didn't enter the competition, huh, Bonnie?
Yes, no, that's right, because we'll waste them all.
That's right. You know, we're invited back because we're hot, and some of them are not. You know, Bonnie, would you like to share with our listeners and our viewers how it is that we came about this initiative?
Oh, initiative. Wait up, initiative.
Four soliloquies in one word.
How we came about this initiative was, well, first and foremost, we had no moolah. And for those of you who don't speak Arabic, that's money. And that's right, and we learned that word in Prague when we were there. So thank you so much, Father John, for teaching us that knowledge.
Thank you, Father John.
That's right. And, well, yes, we came about that, and we really love this one because it's really hot and it's really sexy.
You know, speaking of sexy, I noticed you're wearing purple, and when I see or hear the word purple, you know, it reminds me, you know, when I was little, I wanted to know what I wanted to be when I grew up. You know, I wanted to be so many different things, but after seeing Addie's and Tony T, I wish I was a guitar.
Purple Rain. I just want to correct his nose.
Oh,
yeah.
Sing it out, sister.
Tony, it's actually. I'll teach you later, Tony.
We'll see you later, Tony.
You know if it's on red like that.
Before we do our next number, we just have to say we dedicate this to all the fat chicks out there. On TV, it's absolute rubbish.
That's right.
Isn't it?
Absolutely, sis. And I think, you know, this, what we're going to teach you tonight, it's going to be phenomenal. It really is. Absolutely phenomenal. Yes. I mean, everybody that's going to learn this, you are going to get some tight buns.
Buns here and buns here.
You know, you're going to just tighten everywhere.
Everywhere.
Every single bit of your body is going to be tightened.
That's right. And for those personal trainers out there who say that you have to, when you work out, you have to stand up, stuff you. Just sit down. That's right. You have to sit down and watch this.
That's right.
It's time for us to do it, girl. For him to put a ring on it. Oh
my God, honey, he wants you.
I think Robbie wants me. Okay. Enough is enough. It's time for us to show you fat chicks how to become tight muscle chicks. Yeah. Chair.
I know, Bob. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Shake a bum bum, shake a bum bum, shake a bum bum.